The weather affects nearly every aspect of our lives. On a typical day, we may hardly notice it, but when it's extreme, it can disrupt everything. Particularly in rural areas, where community members' lives and careers are often tied to and dependent on natural resources and the environment. The effect that our changing climate is having on weather is one of the great challenges of this century, and like many great problems of our day, we need citizens with strong data skills, not only to solve these problems, but even to understand them. The mission of WeatherX is to promote data skills among rural students in grades 6 through 8 by engaging them in investigations of weather and climate. Through 2 units, each taught over the course of 3 weeks, students learn about the difference between climate and weather, and they learn to analyze local weather data from an extensive NOAA database that draws from over 2,000 weather stations across the country. Students investigate typical versus extreme weather in their local areas, as well as at the Mount Washington Observatory in New Hampshire, the site of some of the most extreme weather in the world. By working with local weather data and interviewing people in their own communities about their experiences with weather, students begin to see the impact weather has on their community, which makes working with data sets much more engaging and relevant. Through conversations with weather scientists on the summit of Mount Washington, students learn from experts about what it's like to be a scientist and to work with data in a professional setting. By having these conversations, and by engaging in dynamic and interactive data analysis in a free online platform called CodeApp, we seek to inspire students to pursue careers in data science.
I mean, they want to know what this data says. They want to, discuss with their partner, what does your data say compared to mine? And we've even had some really lively debates over what the data said. And now, if I give them a set of data, they know what to do with it. They know how to make the graph. Their only questions are, which data am I putting in the graph, not, how do we do it?
The local piece is really big for them in getting a sense of, this is my community, this is what the weather is like for me, and these are the businesses locally that rely on that weather.
And I think having, students that are growing up in this community, they're the ones that are going to stay in this community. They're the ones that are going to work in the community and vote in the community and make the decisions for how we handle extreme weather events in the future.
Visit our website to learn more about our project and about how you and your students can explore weather data from your area.